In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So let's get started. Once you open Facebook, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on See All Profiles. Here are all pages you have, just click on the page you want to delete. You will be redirected to your page. Then again click on your profile picture in the top right corner. And go to Settings and Privacy. Once you open Settings and Privacy, click on the Settings. Then here in the drop-down menu on the left side click on Privacy. Once you open the Privacy menu, click on the Facebook page information. Into the Facebook page information section, click on the Deactivation and Deletion. Then here you need to choose do you want to deactivate or delete your Facebook page. Just choose Delete Page if you want to delete your Facebook page permanently. Then click on Continue. Here you can download or transfer a copy of your information if you want. Once you finish here, click again on Continue. Then you need to enter your password to confirm that this is your page. Once you enter your password, click on Continue. And then again click on Continue to confirm permanent page deletion. Now your Facebook page is deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.